Hi everyone, welcome to goldfries, and in this video we have a look at the AORUS K9 Optical keyboard. Without further ado, let's dive into the details. The highlight of the K9 Optical is the FlareTech optical switch that has much faster debounce time than conventional mechanical switches, and it has double the lifespan. From my experience, using the K9 Optical feels no different from my usual red switch mechanical keyboard. Well, who am I? I couldn't even hit a mosquito with good success rate, let alone have fast enough response time to match with this keyboard. Speaking of the keys, the floating keys on the K9 Optical comes default with ABS keycaps, while it comes with additional 9 PBT keycaps in orange and 9 other blue switches. And just in case you wonder how is it like to switch the switches, Gigabyte has provided a clamp that works as a keycap puller and a switch puller. It is a breeze to change the keycaps and the switches. And as you can see, the colors from the LED shine through the keycaps very well. They look clean and sharp. To me, the usage experience of the K9 Optical was good enough, but for a keyboard at this price point, I do wish that the keys wobble less. As for the sound, it does not bottom out loud, but being a keyboard with floating keys design, it is not the most silent either. The RGB LED on the keyboard, in comparison to many other keyboards, is poor. As you can see, the flow is not smooth. To make things worse, you need to install two softwares just to adjust the LED colors. These software are the AORUS Engine and the RGB Fusion. In all fairness, you can still control the RGB LED colors using the shortcuts as listed on the guide here. Gigabyte claims that the K9 Optical is splash proof, so I decided to put it to the test, and guess what? It survived. But a word of caution, do not use it immediately right after a splash, because you wouldn't want it to short the critical components. As I've tested, it did not short, but the keyboard did behave erratically. So what I did was left it to dry before I use it again, and here it is now. Lastly, the keyboard comes with a non-detachable braided cable that's 1.8 meters in length, and it has 3 grooves for you to decide how to manage the cable. The K9 Optical also comes with a single tilt adjustment stand. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. The AORUS K9 Optical keyboard is just an okay keyboard, but it comes at a hefty price tag of Rm639. You can get optical switch keyboards for far less than Rm639. So what you are paying for is basically the RGB LED, the changeable keycaps that are bundled in the package, and also the switches. You can change from blue to red, and of course, being the splash proof nature of the K9 Optical, I'm giving it a bronze badge. It's still a good keyboard. I hope that AORUS can adjust the price to make it more appealing. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.